Welcome. In this session, we are going to learn a head and tail command. The head and tail command mostly used to print some part of the files. So, we'll first see the head command. The head command is used to display the starting lines of the file. By default, it shows the 10 lines. So, we'll see head messages. If you do this head space file name in which file we wanted to see some lines, beginning lines, so it is a head command. We also have the parameter to pass the number of lines which we want to print. So in this case, head minus we can specify 5, so it will print only 5 lines of the beginning from the beginning. So this is about the head command. We'll move further to the tail command. The tail command is used to print the last lines of the file. So here, if you do the tail space file name, it will print default last 10 lines of the files. And if you want to print some specific number of the files, then here also we have the same parameter tail minus number of files which we want to print. I'm giving here 5, then message file name here, so it will print the last 5 lines from the line. Many of the times if you are reading a log files, that log files are continuously getting updated, so at that time we must have to see the last lines which are getting updated as well. So for this we have a command tell. So in this case we can use the parameter hyphen f or tell f is a command. So first we will see the hyphen f parameter messages. So it will continuously print the new lines. See here that I am not on the terminal command terminal right now. Here to come out from this session we have to press the control C. Just I said, we can also use the telf command. It will save as the tail space minus f parameter. For come out from this command as well, we have to press the control C. This is the way. Thank you.